TGMA 26. Me the sister Sandy be a guy. This year, no, we came in full swag. You represented Adom TV. You represented the street. And it be black is the new ish. Me the sister Sandy be a guy. Me nati bongo. And then all the glam. Everything else was heavy. The shisha to chroming. JB egu Eddie Abramo. Swag and shisha so why you feel
simple season.
You represent a rap nation. Why represent you move so hard?
Very, very hard.
Yeah, and the review how boy Juma.
Yeah.
And nominations.
Yeah, 2. Hip Life Song of the Year, then Best Rap Performance.
It's my favorite part. Enter a woman.
Yeah, no.
Finally, I. That's my favorite tune, you know.
Enter.
America to the hurry, I say.
No be easy.
I represent America so hard because my show home famana for more channel. Baby, I just say free. Or say to assess so pana.
Some get to Accra.
And I do why not do support a tiny.
Oh, and I do the can promise. Our funny hands down.
Today, yeah, and I say, everybody make you come dance. All of my just smoke run down, boom and go down. Shania be the Yana, Poro that Dana train, bro.
Unsung artist of the year, y'all darling. And I mean, I can't know what I say. Now I need also so found unsung category, no.
Okay, me and Kasami Hunisa, I was born for this because they want to put in much work, you get it. So I didn't know I was going to win though, but I know I'm a winner.
From CMA, me also CMA for from Central Music Awards to TGMA. So it's what be inspiration. I'm afraid you watching here. How is the feeling like pressure that was one?
I'm so grateful. I feel like this is going to be an elevation for your darling, and I mean the artists in Central Region, because I got nominated for the Central Region Music Award and I couldn't take it. And I've been able to win on Sang Artist of the Year. So I feel like, yeah, it's a blessing. It's a good thing for me now. I'm super grateful.
My name is Mika. I'm a filmmaker.
Nigeria?
I'm Nigerian Ghanaian at this point, yeah, essentially, yeah.
Ghanaian, I know, you know if you speak.
I apologize, yeah.
So which side are you representing? Are you representing Nigeria or you are representing Ghana?
Oh, both, anyone.
So which Ghanaian language can you speak?
English.
Sandy be a guy.
I made it, Mama. And you may, Yahuwah, I say.
Oh.
Why not I will throw support at Tanachi?
Can promise. Yes. He deserves it. Stoneboy, I know he's done well. He's won a few of them. But today, let's give it to Can Promise.
Shani family, Sakano. I say, Memoir Badwam TV.
You
made them represented the gospel fraternity. Hey, why now rooting for Joe Metal? This of the year, maybe say.
Simple
Is that you? Is that you?
Yeah, it's me. But
is that the person that I know?
Hey, Eddie, Patrick, why now I think you know?
Joy FM. Yes. Hi, I like you so much.
I like you too. I mean, if I go open, I'm like, wait. I'm guessing, is that Kwesi Official?
Exactly.
Oh, yeah, Kwesi Official. Guy, where I guess I may hear no chair, and then I know I say one of my favorite TikTokers. In this look, no, if you're about inspiration, if you
see no evil, hear no evil, say no evil. Black elegance, black shines bright.
And then we are Guinness for ambassador now.
Maybe. But I feel wherever black appears, it gives that authority. Yeah. And everybody wants to see what's going on. Okay. And this is leopard. It gives authority. It gives power. It gives fierce. And I'm looking fierce tonight.
Yeah, me, black is my favorite color. And, you know, my black hair, my black hair there. Yeah, you know.
This is made in Ghana. Seems Classics made this. And then there's something beautiful on my back.
Okay. You're lazy in the chin, so come on. Wow, pay attention to details, fam. Pay attention to details. Kwesi, why you fair? In fact, why you fair? Detail in there where you know me pay attention to. Why the designer had them out?
Your friend or Avalon clothing. Yeah, Bright or Wesley Gone. Na nsano efepa yi.
We dey na beka ye hu se adwidwa.
Na me say onye victory bibi mama because me artist empress ye pick awards and adwi and our chame kwame no say okay and Abeko victory flow and our year at the way kama.
How about artists? For artist of the year, what's a radio? So why Juma Nache? Year under review. Why na wish and Juma Eswe any of the artists of the year Kuano?
Me my Canada that I say at the end a competition here very keen because we share all the artists are Obia on the strength. Stoneboy locally or dominating because now watch artist of the year. Because of that, a lot of corporate brand connected with him, activation, events, ambassadorial deals near there. Then also bought a lot of top shows, headlining all African games. He dominated locally, and Osha can promise so strength, foreign. No tour about 6 continents, and Osha a kind of audience on performing to a solid foreign audience. And I mean, that was a big plus for him. And I also be to say Kim Paluta or Yobia, he made a lot of impact with song. And no open in comfort Chile from the beginning to the end. If you're and our science collaborations near there, and some of artists are collaborating with them. A bit more really nominations near there. So he made a lot of impact with song. Can promise that world internationally. Stoneboy covered locally, and that makes it very interesting.
In fact, why the dress? So I'm very interested in the quality of the flower. No,
Kwame Owusu the dress me or ya brand be amini na ejuma. Commercial be mi try my wedding. Mi try commercial be my wedding some years ago. So no design attire na me share. Into this year, my friend na me say onye bibi mami na or come up with this idea. Yeah.
Onye bibi keke na what me ajuja was say the detailing man.
A rose tree. A rose tree, yeah.
My 360, why if I heard children so they were okay. Oh, why if you look amazing.
Thank you so much. So do you. So do you.
Oh, why if just when you wear the suits, not just when you smell really, really, really good. Why the designer outside in the mouth?
Pacha Fransac. Okay. Fransac inside Koforidia.
Wow, all the way from Koforidia no Juja was there.
Pacha Wadaro Masanate.
Jim, my 360 here. Yeah, dear. What your nomination and your expectations for tonight?
My Jenny Coffee. You know, be an inch, yeah.
Before I'm a free office, Obi Kai said this year I was say about portfolio abaso because PR games, this year TGMA is not aquashore portfolio na mesaka only omo yajin.
I'm humbled to say free nipa biti sell Holbein because some more Akadia nurse was say inspired to do more because they say yet me I started a culture I be register a seat in our pop culture space until Sasana Mokadia. I'm humbled Mijitum Nyamisha Musema recognizes yes.
Make an inquiry there in a show or buy or can say we be Jano Yabesi who only listen the whole American thing, the whole thing, the whole Kente thing. Why not design at Adima?
Me design a friend of Mensa Italia. Oh, Kumasi. I mean, I'm very intentional about anything America and on where who idea fit me brand and create something a blender a bit me and mama look comfortable and so of course thank you very much.
You look very unique and dapper. Thank you.
Last year I was supposed to come to the VGMA. This year I'm saying so I wanted something, sleeveless. I spoke to Abrantia, the gentleman, and was like, I have an idea. Come over to the office, and then he put this together for me.
You look very unique. Oh, them Sean Kong. I thought just say.
Me why me home for papa.
Which I'm for Nidia.
Me try album picture crowd album the me try.
And your expectations. Why pan are we rooting for?
Oh, I'm a crazy fan of Black Hole. Yeah. I'm a crazy fan of Black Hole. Can promise definitely Stoneboy. Because I enjoy Ghanaian music. I love Ghanaian music.
Oh yeah, guy. Who French but I camera singing at the barrel. I quite say who make his statements because I know be a poo barrel.
Yeah, Nyami Adom. It's my change me Dini and God's favorite child.
Danny, winning baby. I love you so much. Perseverance. Oh yeah, Jumadane. You put effort in your brand. And we are happy to see you at the top. And you don't know any artists when they perform on stage.
And you may any kiddie and I can promise. Wow. Yeah, but say stage in this.
Mon say so, Mammy Danny, Mon say so. Mammy 360 at the one designer here.
We are Kwajo man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Daniel, Okay. When I can promise never perform it to Terminator, and it.
Terminator, the mom. Yeah, san kaka.
Or start a boy, you know, Mumupi, but diaper, and I'm winging a better than the whole IF Miss Bell. And you're 16 years, and how many years?
20 years. December 9, 21 years.
Whoa, are we celebrating the song?
Yes, we are. We're starting from France on the 12th of July. And then we'll go on a tour, and then the grand one will be in Ghana.
PR games, you know, my end is so high. More than my hype show, we say this year, Mujidi.
Yeah, Jiripa, Yama arguments na issue based. Ejuma ya yeno na ya highlight Yama obia so adwene apasubinti. I think so this year we'll pat ourselves on the back say ya de yepa.
You may why not support no outfit no details now hana no wedding.
Yeah, Bibia no wedding. Ara the J. Yeah, a young guy and we need to support him. Yeah. He's doing well, very talented. On no granting I'm a buy. Yeah.
Now why not pamatadi?
Oh, what's you top base in Quanchan baby or your tailor or your designer?
Time, TikToker, time. And you're in the church come on. Time so supporting Ara the J, new talent.
Yeah, Ara the J. Only be a damn for my bar. Self peso me Japa with intimani.
MC Yaya Boys in the building. Passion Mami 360. She never goes wrong with her fashion. She never goes wrong. And why not a designer atadima?
So Mataria we from Lux Rocky GH. No ye Mataria kama. Me makeup Oba or winnie Guinness World Record. Rosling. No ye me makeup ma me sasuna next hair and a year me tea. So yeah,
beautifully glammed. Now why not all supporting and I dream patch or the stone boy they are away, but why not supporting?
Oh no, so I'm here to wish everybody the best, but obviously me support Stoneboy. So one kasawo yawe.
Hey, sexy body no bano run hosa. Incredible Ziggy is in the building. Why if it?
Oh, that's.
They don't want to style with the chains and all that.
Oh yeah, first tribe.
First tribe,
Yeah, Ghanaian.
Okay.
Solid.
Wow, solid though. Ghana need to me you say, wow, Ghana you're quite international. And Nigeria, why not we throw support amano?
So I'm going to Stoneboy straight up.
It's a stage,
of course, me na be so.
Udoye busia.
Ya mo why if?
Why if you're the heaven coins?
Eh, but that
A1.
Me that's 360. Why if I'm interested in the outfit. Ghana Nina a designer outfit.
Yeah, Ghana you offer a cat fashion. Our Spinktest 18 block factory. I don't know my friend and rapper na me say me pe bibi na ma show red carpet no so. Nurse ndo nyame Adom ochina obofo wa membrant inde mo call 4 o'clock na wa pama de nice no the mam cat fashion. When you na one call we.
Cat fashion we brutal. Just yesterday na what you Johnny say, but on day na show why na edem out.
Pacho me de cantamanto. Ade a she me bia cantamanto. Wa wo hwe belt na wonye bo bia unique. Wo sha leather kakra wa ha. Cantamanto for na sell. Inti big shout to all my Cantamanto designers. Yami shamo nyina.
Na again na mama che mo beka se mo group no mo timi sustain other groups fall still catch mo jina so strong.
Solid tape. Yeah, the solid tape you that tell you hu. Enwa na yam why didn't tell be a chonchi. I'm kidding, yeah. I think the yet young one say ya ye juma baby your company no abekes in company no this called the banner brand into no yeah man kitin kiti bi on separate them company into no yet young one say into problem back you solving quick no you move on.
So internet sensational of the year. I come to my baby more fresh boy Mensaka Hayford. I say Yakwaba. How do you do it? So very no confidence, you know. Obi show maybe or could be more. Obi ordinary Tiasha them, but here you are at the VGM is still rocking. Man, I love you so much because confidence, no. I know I need to. So Obi show no looking up to you. I didn't put on that money back home.
Because my cheese, no. Yeah. So I feel, bro, you should come out, out of the nutshell. Don't be inside. Don't isolate yourself. Talk to somebody. Charlie, God first. I should have started with God first. If it wasn't for my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, I don't think I'll be standing here today. I would be 6 feet under. I would have committed suicide or something. But today, it's a big plus for me being here. The TGMA is an honor being here, and also with Adom TV.
Now, why not you root for?
Oh, media, it doesn't change. It's either Black Hole or Stoneboy.
Quite a viper. Aqua Badwam TV.
Thank you, Medasi.
Do you know a Romeo swag and I
A Romeo swag.
It's a lover boy swag and now pills. Just you didn't know what I'm saying swag and 10K. Right, you're nominating him when you're feeling it's a wabemabu.
No. It'd be great feeling for me. Very calm, you know. Yeah, no pressure. Easy. Charlie, big shout outs to your darling, man. Congratulations, bro.
Romeo, feeling to say.
Oh yeah. Mama can't trick a crack. Shaky by Rebecca. So me, I want to say like congratulations to your darling, because me and your industry, me and saying easy. So we are just hoping that he leverages on the opportunity to do something big, so that we all as like nominees will be proud of him. But Charlie, the work still goes on. Still, yeah.
So about when finance when him there for Black Beauty, rocking her natural hair. Why and you may would you jata di ma?
Oh, my young girl be a friend Adiki or a young fashion designer, and that day what mommy who are glittering pants. I say I love supporting young designers.
Chief for me, say sika bon want to say.
Nanyan Melakana is a carbon more yeah, and as some me catch my lovely fans that yes, now money is hard to come by, so any little money that you get, try and save some. That's the motive behind it. Save money and money will save you.
Mekaya tule katawanu say me who me fear nipa team multimedia. Mekaya said we know your frontliners or kan Rosie.
Hi baby girl.
Do nim job shenio.
24 hours, under 24 hours.
Oh,
24 hours.
Why in a designer ma?
Emanat Fashions. Yeah.
I'm a twin sister. Why for papa? Where the multimedia I have a crew and you do coffee. How funny is that, Rosie?
Thank you so much, my darling. And you look lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who said Tule? So I actually trainer no. Like what's going on? Tule. No, what can I say? Oh, hi, mommy.
Sandy.
Why if papa?
I'm so sad.
You will perform me, Anna. Can't wait to have a feel of you.
Yeah.
Why if mommy John Muffin or Murem na omonko inside to see. Why not rooting for?
Rooting for me, I'm going to be strong, but yeah, man.
Artist of the year.
Artist of the year, I do when I be I'm feeling on.
And why if?
Thank you very much, sister.
Thank you. And you may why not rooting for?
As a matter of fact, media Ebano overall artist of the year. Last year, you say can promise na yes, Mano, but you know, and this year, the penny. This year, either Kim Promise or no TGMA. And Tiana way there, me voucher for Kim Promise. I mean, he's actually worked and has been putting Ghana on the map. No two ways about that. And KP forever.
Oh, you're foreigner. I would say I'm an on it. Artist or Mugumina Kim Promise now, bet me don't say to work. I say, truly, what selling Ghana music while broaching more.
Charlie, and yeah, broaching like the whole world. Yeah, now you're to me who and the numbers doesn't lie. When you go on the streams, Kim Promise is actually doing awesomely well. And to sister, why wouldn't him? Wait there, yes, me can intro now, baby. Yeah, why you be a Ghana? And we need to appreciate him.
That's me about that to say.
Showing me Adom now. And you may presidents, web PMO. You didn't be saying, hey, baby, who are you rooting for?
Oh, what should I know? But I am at the Ghana Music Awards and your friend the TGMA. Etimi abananim aye adwuma dene me 20 years ni mfie befa aduonu ni sa conference center here and I mean winning artist of the year, album of the year. That time na me hear me Konkotiba album no. Na sabre no na music awards was a big deal. Now can you imagine say if free sabre na be Sydney still VGMA no and yet TGMA no is still a big deal. And yeah, bought my basso edumaden or my na me Dagana for so ne entertainment industry for ni na say almost some apeja.
This year no can nominating and ko be fan easy pay siesta and I mean I can step in patch mo akwaba.
Yeah, me dear Sandra.
Why if papa why the designer I did them away.
Say why you there? You look gorgeous. So
thank you.
My dear.
Why if papa me I don't know mo say be rubber money ading in her. Why the design?
Anya some ketwa sima blue na adwudwa me sa no. Ai sima na to ne bo ase na wadwudwa atade we e de ama me sa. And all my hair so I am madam and all my hair I am so ama me gorgeously. And Kishan so I am me makeup at the emami.